In this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete a TikTok video on Android. So it might be the case that you made it a long time ago and now you're embarrassed and you want to get rid of it. This video is going to be for you. As always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I create daily content, tips and tricks for social media platforms. So let's get into it. We're currently on the profile page, and in this example I want to remove the video that is the one that has the sweets. So that's the one in the far right. I'm going to do is click on it, and then I'm going to click the three dots on the right hand side, and then I'm going to scroll to the right, and now you can see that the delete option has become available. I'm going to click that and then click delete. So now we've just deleted that particular video. So all we did, just to recap, we opened the video, the three dots in the corner, we clicked on that, it opened up some options at the bottom, we just scrolled because the delete option isn't visible until you scroll, and then we clicked the delete option. So I'm just going to go through that process again, just have a look. So just click the three dots, the navigation pane opens up, we're going to scroll. At the very end we have the delete icon, we click that and then we click delete. That's it, that's how you delete a TikTok video.